Welcome, brothers and sisters. I have been receiving a new message for you, for those of you that seek divine truth, and I'm going to share it with you now. It is called a true representation of our energetic vehicle. Imagine each one of us as a star in the dark infinite space, a ball of light. And this seeming ball of light is actually made of many singular cells of varied brightness. And on what does this brightness depend? On the vibration or energy of this cell. But what are these cells? These cells are singular energy structures which are formed from mental ideas. Yes, they are mental structures which then in the causal chain attract the corresponding energy vibration. So the level of brightness of each one of us is dependent on each of these singular cells. And the intensity of shining of each cell is dependent on which thought energy or idea this cell holds. Then what determines which quality these ideas have, which ideas radiate more light and which radiate less. The mission of each one of us as microcosmic reflections of the macrocosmic divinity is to assimilate the macrocosmic divinity more and more. Or to be more precise, to assimilate the ideas this divinity holds. To be even more precise, the fundamental, authentic identity, ideas which this entity holds about itself and existence, the truth that describes its existence. Yes, and it is our mission in the evolution of our souls to assimilate these ideas. These ideas then will attract and radiate the energy of these highest ideas. And these ideas are the most authentic form of existence. They are the true representation of what the one infinite creator is. This should not be confused with the infinite potential of ideas or forms of the creator. This should not be confused with the infinite potential of ideas or forms the creator is able to create, which means the creator can even create what he is not. But this is where the keyword authenticity leads us towards higher truth. Even though the creator can create anything that he can imagine, there are very specific authentic ideas and forms which are signified by the highest vibration, and these ideas is what we want to assimilate in order to raise the magnitude of our light radiation. So our goal is to first collect, and then to integrate, and then to embody the authentic thought forms of the one creator and the energy they create or attract. Thank you for listening.